नहीं, पर उसने मुझे ज़्यादा तकलीफ दी थी, मैं तो भूल ही नहीं सकता ये किया मैं नहीं। अरे तो मत भूलो, आज फोटो खींच लो और रोज गालियां निकालो उसको, और 1 महीने के बाद फोटो खींचना, कुछ और ही नजर आएगा। यू आर नॉट सीकिंग फॉरगिवनेस दैट अदर पर्सन हैज नॉट डन एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, द पर्सन वुड हैव डन रॉन्ग, बट यू आर सीकिंग फॉरगिवनेस टू गेट योरसेल्फ फ्री फ्रॉम दैट प्रिजन ऑफ पास्ट. That other person might have forgotten about it, but you are still in that prison, harming yourself, remembering all that. So माफ करो जी मुझे from the heart that yes, you must feel that pain. That person just like you felt pain, right? वो भी तो किसी माँ का बेटा होगा ना. You are feeling pain in the heart. उसको दर्द तो हुई होगी ना. दीवार पे तो मुक्के मार ही दिए होंगे 4-5. When two people get together from the strangers, strangers ने गालियां भी निकाली, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But people to whom we are emotionally connected, when they say something ना, it hurts very deep.
Was it like difficult for you to leave your materialistic, like obviously your relations as well?
I would say it did cause pain because absolutely human being. And ये नहीं है कि because he is a spiritual guy, he is a stainless steel. In fact, you become more sensitive to the emotions. I never cried in my life, but when I came into spirituality, I howled, I cried. I will beat my chest to let everything out. Somewhere all that was inside me on the pretext of ki, okay, रोना नहीं है, don't show your weaker face and don't be vulnerable.
Especially if you are a man, then
especially if you are a man, and I come from army background,
I know.
The stern
Tough one.
face is the prerequisite to show that you are tough. Only to find out that's a myth. I mean, being vulnerable is actually your strength, not a weakness. Being vulnerable makes you more honest, to appreciate who you are. Being human is being emotional as well. And people will try to mock you for that. This is something, it's a strength. And when you are able to be vulnerable, you are able to cry, you're able to express. People who are hiding their nonsense inside, they will try to take that away from you. They are the manipulators. But because you are walking the path of your heart, you know that it is the right thing to do. Because when you are expressing yourself, you're not hiding anything. You don't have to work hard to remember how you feel inside. You're just saying, I feel hurt. I was hurt. My heart was broken when you said this to me. You're not saying from complaint point of view, why did you break my heart? You're saying that, look, I loved you, okay? And I'm sorry, my actions were absent-minded. And I'm sorry, this is acknowledgement. So being vulnerable is being honest and appreciating who you are and getting in touch with your heart. And that's what we are about. When Guruji is talking, the Shaktipat is also happening. But you see, that's a power of a yoga. Because when I'm talking, there's a lot that is happening around you. And that's what happens. We, being human, are only taught how to connect to the world. Like our life, have a happy life, is only half life related to material. What are people going to say about you? Don't do this. People talk about you. Wear this clothes. You look nice. Everything is about people. And we are unconsciously looking for approval from the world that, am I okay? Am I okay? Am I looking nice? Am I behaving the way you want me to behave? Because we believe that, okay, the frame you put, I must behave within the frame because this is how you're going to accept me. The moment I shift my frame, you start putting down. Damn you. How dare you? Shame on you. Look at you. Dumb you. They will try to take your self-esteem away because somewhere they're scared of you. So the person who's scared will try to put you down so they can feel powerful. So the moment you expand yourself, the moment You start listening to your heart, you start expanding yourself. Your line is becoming bigger, and they want to cancel your line to look bigger in their own eyes. And they know that it's not nice, it's not right. But these are the people who live in poverty consciousness. Person who lives from the heart is abundance. That's where empowerment is. So I can cry, yes, so what? I did mistake, yes, so what? Okay, things have gone wrong, yes. But from the mistakes I learned. If I don't do mistakes, I'm not going to learn anything. Okay? Mistakes opens the door for me to become wiser, increase my strength, increase my wisdom. And you are putting guilt in me saying you did wrong. Yes, so I put myself for the life imprisonment. उम्र क्या दे दूं, गलती हो गई, हुई है, सबसे होती और फिर हो गई. My strength is I am able to say yes, I did mistake. What about you? नहीं 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 नहीं, मेरे से कोई गलती नहीं हुई. I am the perfect one. You are lying to yourself, and you are preparing yourself for the fall in your life later on. That's the power of a yogi. रोना है तो रो लो, भूख लगी तो खाओ, प्यास लगी तो पियो, थक गए हो तो लेटो. This is what Nanak Babaji said. Sahaj and saral. The highest definition of spirituality, adhyatmikta क्या है? Babaji said, if it is not easy, if it is not simple, it is not spiritual. अगर तुम सहज नहीं हो, सरल नहीं हो, तो तुम आध्यात्मिक हो ही नहीं सकते. So all my friends in this world, right now, young or old, it does not matter. Our birth is to be sahaj and saral. And how much effort we put to live simple life? If you have to put effort to live a simple life, God knows what you're going to create out of it. First thing you want is be honest, appreciate yourself, and know that you have been made in certain way. I'm not going to compare myself with anyone. Say, no, look, this is what I am.
But the people who are too sensitive or emotional, right? So they have the tendency to feel things deeply. Obviously, they get hurt. शायद लोगों को इतना रियलाइज भी नहीं होता जिस तरह से वो फील कर जाते हैं चीज़ों को.
लोगों को छुपाना आ जाता समय के साथ.
But it's like difficult for them. Like I am also a very emotional person, so I know that I have to sometimes work hard to be happy. Sometimes, like it's a constant struggle that you have to go through.
नहीं, तुम अगर जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो,
like sometime, like still.
हाँ जी, क्योंकि somewhere एक मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी बैठी है पास्ट में, जहां पर बार बार तुम्हारी चेतना जाती है. योर थॉट गोज बैक टू द विजन इन द पास्ट दैट ओके, दैट्स वेयर आई वाज हर्ट, दैट्स वेयर आई वाज हर्ट, दैट्स वेयर आई वाज कैंसर्ड, दैट्स वेयर आई वाज शोन और आई वाज डाउनग्रेडेड. सो टिल वी रिजॉल्व द पास्ट, प्रियंका जी, there is no peace in the present moment. Only two people can be peaceful in the present moment. Not peaceful. Two people are unaffected. One who is completely empty. खाली हो गए, शून्य हो गए, है तो है. One who is completely frozen. कि छुपा ही लिया, frozen, emotionally frozen. होगा तो कुछ नहीं. But these are the people who are not affected. But these emotionally frozen people, उनका भी टाइम आएगा when their body will start becoming frozen inside and the disease will come. Then they will say, oh my God. You know, in the young age, people can hide because the body is strong. You can stretch your muscles, you can hold it inside, tighten yourself, say no, nothing is wrong. But the energy is sitting inside you. As your body is going into 40 and 50 and 60, muscles are not strong anymore. That hidden energy is now going to come out. So those are the people you watch out for. They're very poisonous. They will snap at you at any time. They'll be complaining all the time. At that time, we should be becoming more peaceful and loving and compassionate at the age of 60 and above and all that. But look at those people. They become more tight. Look at their faces like a bulldog's. The tight jaws. So we decide how do we want to go into the old age. Do we want to age gracefully or we want to look at like a bulldog? What happened? I'm happy. What's happening? No, I'm just like that. Look at the frowns and this and that. That's irony. people think that by age the understanding comes. It doesn't. Age has nothing to do with maturity. Maturity comes when you look inside yourself and acknowledge that things have gone wrong, not as per you. So what? Can you put your fingers on any person in the history who was perfect? हो ही नहीं सकता.
So how to practice forgiveness?
How to practice forgiveness na?
Even if the people that might have hurt you in the past are not like
हाँ, ये forgiveness का concept तो लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है ना? When we say okay, seek forgiveness and say okay, this person has come, he has hurt me or she has hurt me. So what do? You say I forgive you. नहीं. Not I forgive you. Subconsciously you are again putting yourself on top. What about the pain you caused the person? So I am sorry to cause hurt in you. So you should be the first one who's seeking the forgiveness. Not I forgive you. So when we start seeking forgiveness, and our masters have said, become nirvair. Nirvair. Enemyless. For that forgiveness. And forgiveness is a door towards kingdom of God. If you can't forgive, you can't be saral and sahaj. You're holding too much inside. So in order to be neutral, please seek forgiveness. अरे कुछ भी नहीं, पर उसने मुझे ज़्यादा तकलीफ दी थी, मैं तो भूल ही नहीं सकता, ये किया मैं नहीं. अरे तो मत भूलो, आज फोटो खींच लो और रोज गालियां निकालो उसको, और 1 महीने के बाद फोटो खींचना, कुछ और ही नजर आएगा. You're not seeking forgiveness that other person has not done anything wrong. Well, the person would have done wrong, but you're seeking forgiveness to get yourself free from that prison of past. That other person might have forgotten about it, but you are still in that prison, harming yourself, remembering all that. So माफ करो जी मुझे. From the heart, that yes, you must feel that pain. That person, just like you felt pain, right? वो भी तो किसी माँ का बेटा होगा ना, या बेटी होगी ना, तो you are feeling pain in the heart. उसने भी तो, वो तो स्टेनलेस स्टील का नहीं बना ना, वो उसको दर्द तो हुई होगी, कुछ तो हुआ होगा, गुस्सा तो तुमने दिला ही दिया होगा, दीवार पे तो मुक्के मार ही दिए होंगे 4-5, ग्लास तो तुमने भी तोड़ ही दिए होंगे 4-5. तो by causing that pain or harm or let's say disrespect of other person's presence is itself a reason to seek forgiveness. Because when two people get together from the strangers, strangers ने गालियां भी निकाली, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but people to whom we are emotionally connected, when they say something na, it hurts very deep, because for us we have opened everything to them, and they still use the words as a arrows, तीर की तरह छुपते हैं ना, but still you have to seek forgiveness, because you became the reason somewhere in that person's life, and that person got hurt. Do you take responsibility of your actions? पर मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं. Your body language is also a reason. No? You speak less through the words and more through your body. You stonewall people around you. You give them a silent treatment. Don't talk to me. यार एक हफ्ता बात ही नहीं करनी है. नहीं सब ठीक है. You walk around. That is a deliberate torture with your body language. It's called silent treatment. Somebody wants to say anything. No, I'm okay. That's stonewalling. ये तो किया ही होगा. You need to seek forgiveness for that.